Arcades versus Higgsfield. Which AI created tool wins? Choosing the right AI created tool can completely change how you produce high-quality content without wasting time or resources. Both Arcades and Higgsfield offer powerful features with unique approaches. Arcades and Higgsfield are AI-powered content creation platforms designed to streamline your creative process. The core difference lies in Arcades focusing on versatile AI models for multimedia content, while Higgsfield emphasizes customizable AI workflows for tailored outputs. Arcades is an AI creator tool that leverages advanced machine learning models to generate diverse multimedia content, including images, videos, and text. It works by integrating multiple AI engines that adapt to your project needs, allowing seamless content generation from a single platform. Its strengths include a broad range of creative options, user-friendly interface, and rapid output generation, making it ideal for creators needing quick, varied content. However, Arcades can sometimes produce generic results when highly specialized customization is required. It excels for users who want to experiment with different content types without switching tools, such as marketers, social media managers, or small creative teams looking for efficiency and variety in their content production. Higgsfield is an AI creator tool designed around customizable AI workflows that empower users to tailor outputs precisely to their needs. It operates by allowing users to build and modify AI pipelines for content generation, focusing on flexibility and control. Its strengths lie in deep customization, integration capabilities, and support for complex projects requiring specific AI behavior. Limitations include a steeper learning curve and longer setup times compared to more plug-and-play platforms. Higgsfield is best suited for advanced users like developers, agencies, or enterprises that demand precise AI-driven content tailored to unique workflows. This tool shines when customization and control are prioritized over speed and simplicity. Arcades offers fast, versatile content creation ideal for users needing quick results across multiple media types with minimal setup. It fits scenarios like social media campaigns or rapid prototyping where variety and speed matter more than deep customization. Higgsfield, in contrast, excels in environments requiring tailored AI workflows and precise content control, such as enterprise projects or custom marketing automation. The trade-off is between ease of use and flexibility. Arcade simplifies creation with ready-to-go AI models, while Higgsfield demands more effort upfront but rewards with highly customized output. Choosing depends on whether you value speed and versatility or customization and control. Choose Arcades if you want a fast, versatile AI tool that delivers diverse content quickly with minimal setup, perfect for marketers and small teams. Opt for Higgsfield when your projects require deep AI customization and precise control, ideal for developers and enterprises. Both tools serve different needs, so assess your priorities carefully to maximize your content creation efficiency and quality.